Alright, so we're in the great forest of North Carolina getting ready to attempt the most hardest terrain to actually come across in the state of North Carolina. And I'm about to bring these guys in there. So let's go and we're going to have some fun. Say hello, guys. We're going on an adventure through the natural hidden forest. Got some nice scenery, got some good stuff going on. You guys got these guys coming down the hill right here. And we'll reach down at the bottom, talk about our adventure for the day. Alright, so here's the railroad tracks we're walking across. And some more of that right there. We'll get back with you and we're going to join our cast as we attempt to take on the wild forests of North Carolina. There's a good view over here of all the nature shots. There you see the waterfall in the distance. Some nice views up here. Nice terrains of water. Some of these tracks are a little hard to walk through because they're so old. These have been built in the 1700s. So they're secure, but I mean not really. I mean they're good enough, but they're not gonna like fall, break through. I've been on these things like probably 10 times, so they're really good and secure. So I've been to, I go about halfway because I've been across them all. That's kind of pointless. I just want to get you guys so you guys can see the actual water and how clear it is up here. Try to zoom in for you guys. Usually we walk over here and come down when there's no water, when the actual water's coming out. So we don't actually, we walk across this whole track right here and then go around and come out over here and then walk across when the water's not there. Yeah, it's very nice. It's very peaceful up here. Good views up here. Nice and pretty, serene, and then we'll go ahead and continue down to the waterfalls and get some waterfall action. So stick around. Of the railroad tracks, it's all one level. We're probably about 200 feet in the air. So if you're really scared of heights, it's not really a good place to go. So very nice. I'm gonna head down to the waterfalls and get some closer action. Nice, serene waterfalls. forest here. All this beautiful bamboo forest here. Going great. Had a video earlier about this a couple years ago. Pretty much doing the same thing, but all bamboo. Solid bamboo. Look at this. Look at the texture of this right here. The texture of this is awesome. Hard as a rock. Look at all this beautiful bamboo spectacular in the bamboo forest, hidden in the outer layers of the state of North Carolina. The greatest place to go for bamboo action. Back here in the bamboo forest back here. A nice spin of things right here. Get all this good bamboo action right here. Having a great old time. 100% pure bamboo. Hard as a rock. If anybody interesting fact about bamboo, the inside of the bamboo is hollow, which makes it amazing for bugs and ants to climb in and for bugs to live and carry onto their nests. So take a look at this beautiful bamboo forest. Thank you guys for watching, and then we'll see you soon. Soon.
Enrique Iglesias, gente de zona, de saber.
The great waterfalls. Great, nice and cool. Awesome, amazing waterfalls right here. Get a closer look right here if you can hear me or not. Nice and cool. Refreshing. Great old Civil War, where they had the actual fights and the actual battles over here, which actually leads to the actual waterfall that we just had a video of earlier. So I want to show you guys that video too as well. And right here is the old walls that they had for actual wars and hideouts and all the stuff they had back in the day. So famous Civil War site. Hope you guys like the video. When you come up, crawl like a dog, Harry.
We're supposed to get up here. We're supposed to get up here. We're supposed to get up here.
Crazy, we need.
Your hand.
Crazy, we need.
Your hand.
Crazy, we need.
Your hand.